Here comes Nana Ameyao, noble representative of Agona Manhyia, walking with dignity and royal calm. He is accompanied by Nana Boakye Yadom, the Wiamoasehene, king of the ancient land of Wiamoase. Together, they move as true sons of Asanteman, men of stew, men of honor, approaching the golden seat with respect, tradition, and unity. Their presence speaks of loyalty to Otumfuo and deep roots in Ashanti custom. Please support the channel by subscribing to the channel if this is your first time on the channel. Here comes Nana Obeng Mensah II, king of Manso Kenyago, truly worthy to be called Otumfuo Osei, a powerful and greatly respected leader, one of wisdom, strength, and honor. His dance is not mere movement, it is history in motion, confidence in rhythm, authority in grace. To call him Otumfuo Osei is to place him among the highest ideals of Ashanti leadership. Power balanced with duty, greatness carried with humility, and tradition worn like a crown. Behold, the Asebre Kofi Asante Mensah, the Sabronum Manhyia, king of Sabronum. He comes in royal splendor, preceded by skilled drummers, whose rhythms announce his greatness before he is seen. The drums speak of him of courage, authority, and a stool that stands firm, a chief whose footsteps are guided by tradition and whose name commands respect. In comes Nana Owusu Ampe III, the Obogu Manhyia, king of Obogu. He walks with royal composure, a living symbol of his people's pride. His presence before Otumfuo reflects loyalty, discipline, and respect for the great Asante Kingdom, a chief whose stool speaks loudly even in silence. Finally, we welcome Nana Datano Ampofo, representative of Bosomtwe Asanteman. He stands as the voice of his people, carrying the spirit of Bosomtwe before the golden stool. His role is one of trust and honor, bridging community and kinship, tradition and continuity. Please support Sankofa Official by subscribing to the channel if this is your first time on the channel. If you want to see more incredible ancestral histories of African kings and queens stories filled with drama, action, legacy, and power, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Who knows, even your king might be featured next. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more epic historical stories.